Find the six trigonometric functions of the angle theta if the terminal side of theta in standard position passes through point 0.5 and negative 12. So the x here is 5 and the y is negative 12. If you are going to plot that, of course, this is in the standard position. So we started here at the positive x-axis and it passed through here at 5, negative 12. You can see that the radius here is not 1. So we could assume that this is a unit circle with radius 1. So let's find the radius. So radius is equal to square root of x squared plus y squared. So the x is 5, so 5 squared plus negative 12 squared. 5 squared is 25 plus 12 squared is 144. That's 169. So square root of 169 is 13. So our r is equal to 13. So we have the x, we have the y, and we have the r. Now, let's get the six trigonometric functions. Okay, sine theta is actually y over r. Okay, for unit circle, it is only y because y over 1 na siya. So that's y lang siya. Here, our r is not 1 but 13. So the sine theta is y over r. So this is, the y is 12 or negative 12. So negative 12 over 13. Cosine is x over r. In our unit circle, our cosine is only x. But here, our radius is of course not equal to 1. So we should put our radius back. So x over r. So 5 over 13. Tangent is y over x. So y is negative 12 and x is 5. So negative 12 over 5. Okay, so the cosecant is an reciprocal of the sine theta, so that's negative 13 over 12. The secant theta is a reciprocal of cosine theta, so that's 13 over 5. And the cotangent theta is a reciprocal of tangent theta. This is negative 5 over 12. Given secant theta is equal to negative 25 over 24 and pi is lesser or equal to theta, which is also lesser and equal to 3 pi over 2, we will find sine theta plus cosine theta. So the given here is secant theta is equal to negative 25 over 24. So the secant is actually a reciprocal of our cosine. The cosine is x over r, so our secant is r over x. The x is negative 24, and take note, our radius is always greater than 0, so this is positive. So positive 25, and we don't know the y yet. Okay, so x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. We have the r, which is 25, so 25 squared. And we have the x, which is negative 24. Let's get y squared. So y squared is equal to 25 squared, which is 625 minus negative 24 squared, that is 576. So 625 minus 576 is 49. And extract it. That's positive, negative 7 for our y. Now, according to our condition, our angle is in between theta and 3 pi, in between pi and 3 pi over 2. The pi is here, of course, and the 3 pi over 2 is 270 degrees. Therefore, our angle is in this quadrant. If it is in this quadrant, our x is negative and the y is also negative. Now, according here, our y is positive or negative 7. So, let's leave the positive kasi negative ang atong expected na number. So, negative 7, we will pick it for our y. Here, it's different answer here. Let's edit muna. Okay, so I changed the values now. So, the sine theta is equal to x over r. So, the x is negative 24 over the r is 25. Now, the cosine theta is y over r. So, the y is negative 7. We drop, so the y here is, of course, negative 7. I didn't write it. So, negative 7 over the r is 25. So, we will find sine theta plus cosine theta. So, sine theta is negative 24 over 25 plus cosine theta, which is negative 7 over 25. So negative 24 minus 7 is negative 31 over the denominator 25. So this is the answer, negative 31 over 25.